What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about derivatives of trigonometric functions. First function is y equals to negative 10x plus 3 cosine x. The derivative is going to be, the derivative of negative 10x is negative 10. And the derivative of 3 cosine x is going to be 3 times negative sine x. So it's going to be negative 10 minus 3 sine x. Next one is going to be y equals to 3 over x plus 5 sine x. The derivative of 3 over x is going to be negative 3 over x squared. We had it before. And the derivative of 5 sine x is going to be 5 cosine x. Next one, we have y equals to cosecant x minus 4 root x plus 7. Derivative of cosecant x is negative cotan x times cosecant x. Derivative of negative 4 root x is going to be negative 4 over 2 root x. And derivative of 7 is going to be 0. So it's going to be negative cotan x cosecant x minus 2 over root x. Next one is going to be y equals to x squared cotan x minus 1 over x squared. That's going to be, the first part I'm going to use product rule. So it's going to be 2 times x times cotan x plus x squared times negative 1 times 1 plus cotan squared x minus the derivative of 1 over x squared is going to be negative 2x over x to the power of 2 to the power of 2, which is going to be x to the power of 4. So when you simplify it, it's going to be 2x cotan x minus x squared minus x squared cotan squared x plus 2 over x cubed. That's the answer. The next one is secant x plus tan x times secant x minus tan x. That's the difference of squares. You can say secant squared x minus tan squared x. When you find the derivative, it's going to be the derivative of the first part, which will be 2 times secant x times derivative of secant x minus 2 times tan x times derivative of tan x. So it's going to be 2 times secant x. The derivative of secant x is going to be secant x tan x minus 2 times tan x. Derivative of tan x is going to be 1 plus tan squared x. So when you simplify it, secant is 1 over cosine. Secant times tan is going to be sine x over cosine squared x minus 2 times sine x over cosine x times 1 over cosine squared x, because 1 plus tan squared x is the same as 1 over cosine squared. So it's going to be 2 sine x over cosine cube x minus 2 sine x over cosine cube x. So that's going to be 0 because the both of them are the same thing. Next example, sine x plus cosine x times secant x. That's question number 6. So let's distribute it. It's going to be sine x times secant x plus cosine x times secant x. It's going to be sine x times secant is 1 over cosine. And here cosine x times secant again 1 over cosine. So it's going to be sine over cosine x plus cosine x over cosine x. That will be tan x plus 1. Now the derivative of tan x plus 1, the derivative of tan x is 1 plus tan squared x. And the derivative of 1 is going to be 0. So 1 plus tan squared x, which will be 1 over cosine squared x. We have seen it many times. These two are equivalent. So that's going to be the answer.